Hi, 7th grade. This is Mr. Wazork reading your Analyzing Poetry. Below is a poem, Dreams by Langston Hughes. The footnotes at the bottom of the page define words that you might know. After you read the poem a few times, complete the questions along the sidebar and below the poem. Again, you can pause the video at any point to think and to work and press play when you're ready to continue. I'll start by reading the poem, Dreams by Langston Hughes. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field, frozen with snow. I'll read it one more time. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field, frozen with snow. Structure. Annotate the poem by completing the following steps. They're all worth 1 point each. Number 1, look at the last word in each line of the first stanza. Highlight the 2 words that rhyme yellow. So again, look at the first stanza. Highlight the 2 words that rhyme yellow. Number 2, look at the last word in each line of the second stanza. This is the second stanza. Highlight the 2 words that rhyme in green. Again, look at the second stanza. Look at the last word in each line. Highlight the 2 words that rhyme in green. Number 3, fill in the blank. In each stanza, the lines to and blank rhyme. Is it A, 3, or B, 4? Number 4, look at the first line of the poem. Then find where the line is repeated. Underline both lines. Number 5, in the syllable count column, in the middle here, record the number of syllables each line contains. So for each line, you need to count how many syllables and put it in this column for each line in both stanzas. Directions. Using the poem in your annotations, answer the questions that follow. Be sure to write complete sentences except for the fill in the blank. Support your answers with details from the text and be as specific as possible. First stanza. Number 6. Line 1 tells the reader to hold fast to dreams. What do you think it means to hold fast or tightly to a dream? Again, you can use the following as a sentence starter. I think to hold fast or tightly to a dream means that when a person has a dream, they should fill in the rest. Number 7. Line 2 says, for if dreams die. In your own words, briefly explain what it means for a dream to die. Here's your sentence starter. I think when the author said, for if dreams die, it means blank. Number 8. What might cause a dream to die? Explain. Here's your sentence starter. A dream may die because blank. I think this because blank. You have annotations down here in case you need them. Again, look back to where it references 1 and 2. Use this way, fast means tightly or firmly, so to hold fast is to hold tightly. Number 2, a barren field is one in which few or no plants are growing. Number 9, fill in the blank. The first stanza includes a metaphor. The poet compares life without dreams to blank. Number 10, what feeling or emotion are created by the image of a broken-winged bird that cannot fly? Explain. Here's your sentence starter. The feeling or emotion created by the image of a broken-winged bird that cannot fly is blank. I think this because blank. Number 11. In the first stanza, what feelings or ideas do you think the poet is expressing about what life is like if you give up on your dreams? Here's your sentence starter. I think in the first stanza, the poet is expressing that if you give up on your dreams, life would be like blank. Second stanza. Number 12. Identify the metaphor in this stanza. The metaphor is A, line 5, B, line 6, C, line 7, D, line 8. Again, use the poem above to answer this question. Number 13. What emotions, sensations, or ideas does the image of a barren field frozen with snow bring up? Explain. Here's your sentence starter. The emotions, sensations, or ideas the image of a barren field frozen with snow bring up are blank. I think this because blank. Number 14. In the second stanza, what feelings or ideas do you think the poet is expressing about what life is like if you give up on your dreams? Here's your sentence starter. I think in the second stanza, the poet is expressing that if you would give up on your dreams, life would be blank. Whole poem. Number 15. In one sentence, identify a theme statement for this poem. Is it A, money makes life worth living? B, success requires hard work? C, dreams strengthen your life? Again, make sure you answer all the questions before clicking submit. When you're ready to submit, click submit.